This is one of the most frustrating things in the world. You need to take your toilet off. The toilet bolt nut is corroded onto the toilet bolt, and there's no way to get it to stop spinning. So how do we take care of this? My favorite way to do it is with a Flex OMT, and I use these carbide blades. These carbide blades from Diablo work really well, and I also like to keep a sponge nearby. That way, just in case something gets hot, I can cool it down real quick. This is a wet sponge, and I also use it to clean up around the toilet. Now, the trick to it is easy, constant pressure. You don't really want to force the blade through the bolt. You want to let the blade do the work for you. So it's going to take me a little time, but the point of it is I don't want to accidentally shove this blade into this toilet because we're going to reuse this toilet. So we have to remove this as carefully as possible. So let's get started here. See how I use that back and forth motion? That keeps the teeth from just burning up. Now I can clean that up, and now our toilet is free. Just that quick and easy. Carbide blades from Diablo, Flex OMT. That's how I do it.